Create class functionality. This class will contain all the functions like adding a new employee details to the database, deleting employee details from the database, display the details of the employee, create an object for this class. Here we named that object as function object. You know it already that, when we create an object for a class, the corresponding constructor is called automatically. So let's go to the functionality class. The variable of this class is a structure emp. This will store ID, first name, last name, age, sex, department, basic salary, address, and a structure pointer to emp. Also we created 4 structure emp pointer variables. Okay, then now let's go to the constructor. Head equals new emp, which means the head is allocated memory. This thing you already learned in your second year C++ linked list, so we will use linked list to store the details of the employee. Head is created and assigned value null, since in the start we don't have any data. Assign tail equal head. This means we now only have one memory location. The name of that memory location is head and also tail, and that location doesn't contain any data. Initially it is null. To add new employee details, call the addRecord function. Go to addRecord function. Create a temp variable to store the details. Now in the temp next field assign that equal to null. First check if the head is null, which means that there are no details in the linked list. If head is equal to null, means that we are going to enter the first set of details. Assign head as temp, also assign tail as head. So here we are now having a single block of employee details, and that is named as head and tail. When we again try to add new employee details, head will not be null, because we have the first employee details stored in head. Next time when we enter new details, we again create a new temp block in which all the details of next employee is stored. Attach the temp block to the tail. This can be done using the statement tail next equal temp. Tail will now point to temp, make temp as tail, and so on. This is how the addRecord function should work. Let's look at the output. I have also created the display function to display the details. Look at the output.